over here at the homestead. Had a bunch of rain last week and a half or two. Washed my driveway totally out. Tractor tires got flat. We finna go see what we can do with a flat tire because I can't find any to replace it. And it's past putting a plug or even putting a tube in it. So we're gonna do what we do. I'll bring y'all along, probably do some time lapse footage of it, and jump it off and go down there and try to fill the hole in. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, crisis averted. Even with the flat tire, I got the hole full. Smoothed out some of the other parts of the driveway. I can't just top it good because it keeps wanting to lean on this one side that doesn't have a tire. So, I mean, it's got a tire, just no air in it. Not much of a tire left. There's supposed to be a company that's making some aftermarkets to replace these. I'm trying to find them. These are those old Rice tires. Any of y'all know where to find some? Hit me up in the comments. If I don't respond and you're from the other channel, go to the other channel and tell me. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, hit me up on there, TikTok, wherever. Let me know if you know where to get some. Because my guy in Dainterfield told me he did, and all of a sudden now he can't find them. I don't know if that's because of Corona, but I really need this tractor where I can get everything shredded around here. And get everything ready. It's kind of been hectic around here. I know there's a few of y'all here know Spice, and she lost her other leg. She's in rehab. She got exposed to COVID. Today is Wednesday. Saturday she tested positive and she's not doing real good. I was around her all day Friday. I hadn't went and got tested. No, I need to. Sorry about the phone like that. That's where if I get any calls, I normally try to turn it off. Hadn't been able to talk to her much. They said today they put her on oxygen. It's just not real good right now. I'm not gonna talk a lot about it. It's kind of upsetting to me, and I appreciate y'all watching the videos. If y'all enjoy them, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. If you really enjoy them, see if you can share them with some people. Let's help this little channel get up to 1,000. Like, share, subscribe, and we gone.